Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to reset For You page on TikTok. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step is to open our TikTok application. Then click on your little profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you get to the profile, you want to click the three horizontal lines at the top right. Then open the settings and privacy. Once we get to the settings page, we'll scroll a little bit down. Then open the content preferences option, where we'll find this refresher For You feed. Open it. Now we'll get to this page. It says here that they will show us popular videos to launch our new feed. Our profile feed and inbox won't be affected. And the more we interact, the more personalizes our feed is going to become. So let's continue. Then they will ask our reason for doing this action. Tap on any reason that you like or type anything in other section and then tap on the refresh button. Once we do this, our For You page will be reset. We can reopen TikTok in order to apply our changes. Now the algorithm is going to follow what you like, comment on, interact with, and so on, and it will start recommending you content based on that. That's essentially how we can refresh the For You page in TikTok. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.